This is how most repair shop technicians dismount or mount a tire onto a vehicle. Now imagine repeating this task day in, day out. It takes a toll on one's body. Let me show you the Tire Rotation Assistance Cart, or TRAC for short. Being a former shop technician, I wish this tool was around 10 years ago and how it could have saved me time and end-of-day lower back pains. Don't believe me? Ask any technician that's needed to do a tire rotation as part of a 50K service on a Dodge Ram 2500 HD. Let's meet Kevin Robinson, owner and inventor of TRACs.
Hi everybody, my name is Kevin Robinson. My company is called TRAC, and it stands for Tire Rotation Assistance Cart. That's what we have here today.
Okay.
This Tire Rotation Assistance Cart is designed to roll underneath the vehicle when it's racked. It's up in the air on a 2-post lift, and you basically crank up the jack to support the weight of the wheel and tire. Okay? Once you have the weight of the wheel supported, you put the lug nuts in the tray, and then we have a support arm here that comes up and locks the tire down onto the cart. You would then roll the cart to the side and do whatever service work is necessary to the vehicle. To put it back on, you simply roll it back over, and if the lug nuts don't line up, you simply just rotate it until they do. Once they line up, then you roll it across, and then you drop it out of the way, and you move on to the next tire. So we recommend 2 per stall, and you can get yours at liftwithtrac.com. Thank you very much.
Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and to turn on your notification bell to all. Here is a link to another video that you can check out, or one that YouTube thinks you may enjoy.